guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's April and today I have my August Whiff Box. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. So first of all, you can see there's really nice pretty packaging and it has a really cute little brochure that kind of tells you what's going to be in the Whiff Box. This says Above and Beyond. And that's actually the title of the new Fall/Winter 2021 catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that this is how it looks after I opened the box. And the first thing I see are two samples. We have the Clothesline Laundry Liquid and the Clothesline Scent Soft. Okay, next we have Jeweled Pomegranate Hand Soap. And I really like this scent and I love our hand soap, so I'm really excited about that. Ooh, next up, a little box. And let's open this up. Try to open it up without tearing it. Okay. Ooh, inside we have a silver mini fan and a little USB cord. These are great because they're really portable. You can put them on your computer desk, you can put them in your car to give you fragrance. And that's the silver that came in the Whiff Box. We also have a pod, or 2-pack of pods, and this is in Cloudberry Dream Scent. This is really nice. It's like, to me, you get some rose and raspberry, and I think there's a little bit of vanilla. I think it's in the fruity category, but I would say it's more floral fruity and maybe a tiny bit fresh. But that's what came in the box as well. And now we have some wax. This is like my favorite part. I love wax. Oh gosh, so loud, I'm so sorry. Okay, and it has a nice ice pack, so everything stayed nice and cold. Okay, so inside of the pouch we had wax bar and a couple little samples. So this is Scarlet Sunflower, and I've smelled this before. It's nice. It's fruity and it's a little floral, and I think a little fresh. I think there's apple and then sunflowers. It's a nice scent. That is Scarlet Sunflower. And then we have, two samples. So we have Cashmere Corduroy. This one is so great. That's my favorite new scent out of the new catalog. And then we have Scary Good, and I know this is the September sample, or September scent of the month, so I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this, see what it smells like. See if I can pop it out of the container. Ooh. Okay, so I get pumpkin and something sweet, kind of like butterscotch or caramel. And I think I get a little bit of like orange and some spice. So that's really good. I like that. The new warmer, I've seen what it looks like. It's so cute. I actually ordered it, so I'll share that with you when it comes in. So that was Scary Good. And the last thing we have, which is actually super cool, is the new catalog, Above and Beyond. And this is great because if you're like me, I like having something to hold on to and just flip through and kind of see, you know, everything that we have. You can see stuff online, but there's just something about something in your hands that I love. So yes, the catalog. So that's what is in August's Whiff Box. I think it's a great box. There's a lot of things. I really do like the mini fan and the pods. That's neat. And the wax and a couple samples. So yeah, it's still available, I believe. So if you would like to get one, I would probably order soon before they sell out or before they might have to substitute things in it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.